We're headed over the outlet malls. Not gonna record there. Not sure if you want to see us shopping. Not sure what we're gonna do after that. Maybe go eat some lunch. We really don't have anything planned today. Tomorrow we're gonna check on renting a pontoon boat maybe to go over to Crab Island and just see what it's all about. We've never done that since we've been here. And Sunday we're going to play golf.
Here we go. I'm Bill.
I'm Kelley.
And this is our
adventures.
Here we go. Yeah.
Okay, the wind is blowing horribly. I don't even know if you can hear me, the wind's blowing so bad. Last night was interesting. I bet you there was 50, 60 mile an hour winds. The camper was shaking really bad. It was raining really hard. It's kind of scary. Never have been in the camper when it was shaking that bad. Now, it's been sunny, kind of cloudy, sunny most of the morning, and then it just came a shower and our chairs were out here, so I'm completely soaked trying to get them in. So, anyway.
Fish. There's full and fish.
Yeah, and this club right here.
Need to walk out there. Video. There's dolphins! You want to take, we don't take the dogs, we'll just run over there. I just saw some dolphins jump outside the window. I was editing some video. I just was sitting there and all of a sudden it looked like something jumped out of the water. And I'm like, okay, I'm not crazy this time. That really was a dolphin. Yep, that was right outside our camper. Like when I say outside our camper, here we are. There's the camper. That was really cool. He's going. Hey babe, where are we going to eat?
McGuire's Irish Pub. It's not even facing me though.
It is.
Now it's facing me. McGuire's Irish Pub.
Let's see what it's like. It is honey bread. It's got honey with butter. Oh my gosh, it looks amazing. We're fixing to try. I've got the pork chops. Look how good these look. Well, the lighting is probably not the best, but they really look good. Okay, so at first glance, which restroom would you go in? This one or that one? See, I'm a woman, and I would think this one and this one. It's trickery. We just got through eating at McGuire's English Pub. It was very good. Bill had the pork chops that they were like amazing. The fish and chips were good. You're in Destin and around this. Sorry, I'm laughing at Bill's truck right this second. He's sticking out just a wee bit. So if you're in a big truck, you don't fit in the parking places. But if you're in Destin, McGuire's Irish Pub is really good. Check on the puppy dogs. So we snuck. Not really snuck. It really wasn't a fence, it was just string. We went under the string and we came over and found this boardwalk. It looks like a place that you could sit and there's picnic tables. Oh, there was a bird.
Oops, you just saw it. Oh, there's something in there. Is that a sea lion or something?
Oh, it's an otter. Here, hold this and try to. There's an otter. Today is Sea Life Day. He's kind of cool looking, isn't he? He sees us now, but I don't think he's. Bill. We're not going any closer. All right, let's go, guys.
Check it on the paper.
I'm making sure he ain't running this way. He'll be like, ah, run! Life Friday. We haven't done anything else today. Might as well have wildlife. Seen an otter, the dolphins, the big birds. We're on somebody's property that we don't know. It looks like it's legit. There's garbage cans with garbage bags in them. You know, may have to pay to come here and we're not, but I don't know. But we were going to that little spot where there's like, I don't know, you would think that an alligator or something would be hiding and jump on you. We were going through it and somebody revved up like a motorcycle, and to me, in my mind, it sounded like a growl. And I almost ran over Bill. I think it was a motorcycle.